Hello and welcome back to another lesson. In this one we're going to be learning a Soundgarden acoustic tune, which is Burden in My Hands from the Down on the Upside album, which had a birthday this year. So we're going to go for that one. I've put up 4 tunes over at Patreon and this one won. And it's a beauty actually. Didn't know it, so I haven't done an intro at the beginning because I haven't learnt it yet properly. Not well enough to play it at the beginning. So I will run through all of the parts for you. I think there's about 3 or 4 main parts. And they're not terribly difficult, but the rhythm really throws me. So this should be a fun but challenging one. So let's crack on, shall we? So we are in open C tuning. Cool tuning actually. And you're going to want to tune your low E down to C. The next string, A goes down to G. Next string goes down to C. G stays the same. B goes down to G. So those two are the same. 2 and 3 are the same, and then E stays as is, right? So first riff goes like this. Again, right? So what we're doing there, and there's ways of simplifying this. I think Chris does do this live sometimes. So for now, you're going to play. So the first note is staccato. Next one rings out, and that is the rhythm, right? So it's. That throughout, right? So get used to that sort of vibe. But the first bar is just and that slowly is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up at the end. Okay, so that again, down, 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 up, up, down. If you want to simplify that already, you can just play the open D. Or G as it now is, I think. And the top 3 open, so you could just play. Don't need to put your fingers there, right? So I would simplify that if you're struggling with it. But then, the second part. Again. So that's slowly down, 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 up, down, up. So you're going to play this 3rd fret with a 3, 3, 5, 3 right on the top string on the E. Again slowly. Take all your fingers off at the end there. Next part, slightly different rhythm. Okay. Again, try and keep it strummy and don't worry about the exact notes. Okay, I would do that actually. So you're going to play. Okay, so that slowly. Down, down, up. Take your little finger off and just play the 3rd fret. So up, down, down, up for the last part. Again. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then this bit is all open, but you just got this little whack at the beginning. So you do down whack, upstroke and just catch the top 3, and then hit the low E, or C as it now is. And then you've got this 0 0 2 0. So that first bit again, and then you continue that rhythm. Up, down, 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 up. Alright, let's go through it all really slowly. That's it, do that 3 times. 4th time, you're going to play this. Okay, you got that triplet at the end, which is just pulling off from the 5th to the 3rd to the open. I use my little finger and my first finger for that. And then we're into the bridge part, right, which goes. Okay, that is tricky. I find it tricky anyway, but the first rhythm is just. Okay. So 3rd fret to the 5th fret, but I'm sliding. Again. Then you've got to play the open G, I think it is now. 5th string basically, and then this. With that little fill at the end. I would practice these 2 things separately first. Get that bit first, and then you don't need to play the 2 strings, you could just play. Okay, so again, slowly. Something like that. Now this next bit I find very rhythmically challenging. It's just got a load of really weird accents in it. The first part though, first finger flattened on the 3rd fret. Down, up, down, down. 3rd finger on the 5th fret on the 4th string. Up, down, down, down. Then, so it's up, down, up. Then you've got this. And this time, you don't have to do this. You could stay on the 5th fret here and just play. You could play that every time. But on the recording, I do hear him go. Okay, so there's a lot to it. Basically though, the first part's then, so that's 3, 5, 3, right? Again, again, so that bit is pretty straightforward, that last bit. You've just got to drum the rhythm into your head, so play it slowly and just build up. basically for the chorus you're going to be playing this. Essentially. So slowly with the rhythm. And then the last bar is. So that's pretty straightforward. That hurts my hand. So covering all the 12th fret there. Then you want to use your little finger to cover the top 3 strings on the 15th fret, right? So it's going to be down, up, down, down, change, up, down, up, down. Slide that down 2 frets and you're going to be on the 10th fret and the 12th fret there. So that again, down, up, down. It's the same rhythm, right? But then you've got this. So that is 12, 10, and then you slide 10 to 8. And then the next bar starts. Down, up, down, then move down to the 3rd fret. And you can do the whacker while you're moving up to the 10th fret, and for that part you play. Okay, so that through again slowly. Okay, then you got this middle 8 part, which is basically just. This. Okay, so but with chords. So ouch. Like that. So, to speed. So very slowly, 8th fret, 8, 10. So what I'm doing there is playing those 4 notes. Upstroke for the 10th fret, and then another downstroke catching the rest of the low notes. Like that, right? Same with the open one. You can play all the notes there if you want. 3rd fret. 3, 5, 3. And you go up to the 6th fret and 6, 8, 9. And you can do the two G notes there if you want. G strings I should say. Open E again. C, beg your pardon. 3rd fret. And that same riff again. That's it from me. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers, bye bye.